You did here, and what my vlog. Well, today I gotta get this tractor out of here. I got two flat tires. This one here, it actually came off the rim. So I went out and bought some Bell ATV and off-road tire sealant, and I'm gonna try that. As you can see, it's a psychedelic color here. So trying to get it back on the rim. That's kind of a trick. So what I want to do, you want to get that stem out of there so you can get the full velocity of air in there to help blow the walls out to the side here. Main thing is gotta get the stem out. Alright, stay tuned here. Alright, that was a quickie. Let me get it off the floor real quick. Because I put some in. Normally you put it in through the stem, but I just pushed it in further. So I push more in there. Help it seal, but I think my leak has been along the walls, so this is definitely gonna help it out. So I'm just gonna go. I got plenty of seal in it, so I'm gonna just keep rotating it. It's not like you're gonna be able to go any speed. Probably a thorn or something in here that just caused it to. Okay, let's care of that one. Now I gotta do the big tire. Not sure what's going on with that one. We're now into the winter time, so. Alright. So that worked on that. Got it on the wall. And that should take care of that. Now I got the back one here. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this one. So in this case, say shake the contents thoroughly before you use it. It's non-toxic, non-flammable, washes easy with water. 4 tubeless tires, so effective for punctures within the tread area. Not for use on motorcycle tires. After installing sealant, have the tire inspected and repaired or replaced. Okay, says to try and release all the air out of the tire. Extend the tube, which is this, and then squeeze sealant into the tire, and then immediately inflate it to manufacturer's PSI. Drive a 1/4 mile, stop and check pressure, and confirm the seal. So in this case here, not going anywhere. It's on a lawn tractor. So I got to get it in there, and I'll get it blown up. Okay, I put about a little more than half of it. I used about a 1/4 in that front tire, and then the rest in that one, squeezed it in. So let's get some air back in this one. This one inflates. I had no problem with that. The problem with this one, it came off the wall. Okay, back inflated. You only put like 10 or 15 pounds in tractor tires, even 5 or 6 in the fronts here. So, all right, sweet. All right, we'll see how well that works out. And that is using the advanced micro technology of Bell ATV off-road tire sealant. Hey, Dana here. And with my blog, and this is a continuation of the use of the Bell ATV and off-road tire sealant. There's the tire that I repaired. Got it back on its bead after you saw me put it on there. So that's the tire, and here's the back tire, and they're solid. They're definitely solid and inflated. So it's definitely a winner in my book. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. You can catch me on the next Around the House.